guys, welcome back to another episode of Fish Tuah. Today we have the whole gang and we're gonna catch some big fish. Today's expectation is like 400. Let's get right into the video.
What was that noise? Was that my jig?
Dude, he's huge. Oh, he's huge. Oh my god, I see him. Get him. Get him up. Get him up. Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Oh shit. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Hold him back! Hold him back! Hold him back! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! He's huge! He's huge! He's huge! Get him in! Reel him in! Reel him in! Reel it in! Reel it in! Oh my gosh! Get in! Oh my gosh! Get him there! Get him! Get him! Run! I'm gonna lose it! Yeah. Let's get flicked up. Got it! Oh! Hey! Get away!